Description: no more hotel hair dryers. The Baby Buttercup is the ultimate travel dryer, delivering 100% of the performance of most full-sized dryers. Its compact size provides Drybar hair anywhere. Benefits: super lightweight design, collapsible handle and included travel bag allow for easy storage. Suggested use: 1200-watt motor and 2 heat settings provide the perfect balance of heat and airflow. Drybar Baby Buttercup Travel Blow Dryer. No more hotel hair dryers. The ultimate travel dryer delivers 100% of the performance of most full-sized dryers, and its compact size provides Drybar hair anywhere. The benefits: Ionic Technology. Negative ion generator blows billions of negative ions into hair to seal the cuticle and reduce frizz while drying. Wave heater allows for uniform heat distribution for faster and more even drying. 1200-watt motor and 2 heat settings provide the perfect balance of heat and airflow. Operates at 120/220 volts for overseas travel. Includes concentrator nozzle for targeted airflow. Super lightweight design, 13 ounces, 0.36 kilograms, and collapsible handle allow for easy storage. Includes a logo travel bag. Features a 7 feet, 2.13 meters cord. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect travel dryer. I really like this dryer. It dries like my normal size T3 dryer. I liked it so much I purchased another one to keep at my parents' house when I visit them in CA.